Hello and welcome to this unboxing video of the IKEA Symfonisk Wi-Fi bookshelf speaker. A cooperation between Sonos, the Wi-Fi stereo company, and IKEA, the famous furniture company. Okay, these were launched in early August and had a line of two speakers, one bookshelf speaker and one speaker that looks like a table lamp. This will be the unboxing of the Wi-Fi bookshelf version. It is the cheaper version of the two Symfonisk models. This one will cost 100 euros or about 995 crowns and are only sold at IKEA, not through Sonos. Okay, this is the box. They are available in two colors, white and black. This is a little IKEA brown box. Nothing special. You see the silhouette here. Great, so we'll just unbox it here. Open up these stickers. And then you have two holes here, which lets you open up. And inside we have the manual, which we'll come to later. We have a textile cable. We have a Ethernet cable, Cat 5. And we have the speaker itself. So here is the speaker itself. It is a rectangular box with a cloth. You have the Sonos and IKEA brand. And you have the controls, plus, minus, pause and play. A very simple and plain enclosure made of plastic. And on the back side you can connect the cable either standing or in a horizontal position. This bookshelf speaker is designed to have a bracket, which makes it possible for you to assemble it and put it on a wall. I will show a clip of that speaker as well. And at the back you have a power inlet and a Ethernet cable plug. Okay, it's time for us to plug in the speaker and take it for a first test. So we have the power cable, which can be put in either so the Wi-Fi speaker is in a horizontal position or in a vertical position. So we're going to put it in a vertical position, standing up. And now it is plugged in and it's going to acquire the network. Okay, and now it's time to set up the new IKEA Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. And for you who already have tried the Sonos system, you will be familiar with the setup. It's done in the iOS or the Android app. So you quite simply just select Add Speaker, press Continue, see the flashing green light. Actually, on this IKEA speaker you will see a steady white light, but that is okay. You can press Continue. You will select what kind of speaker you are setting up. IKEA Symfonisk bookshelf. And then here it says you need to press the plus button and the play pause button simultaneously, and that is what we will do. And then immediately the system recognizes this speaker. Yes, set up this speaker. Boom. Now this speaker will most likely need to be updated with new firmware, since Sonos has probably come up with a new firmware version. I will not add another speaker. Sonos update. Yeah, so this will take a couple of minutes for the system to update this IKEA Symfonisk speaker with the latest firmware. Here you see the halfway progress, and it's finishing up at the end of the process, and soon the speaker will be ready to be used. Okay, here we are back, and the Sonos system has been updated. Your products are now up to date. Continue. Some sort of registering of the product in the system. And we are now updated. Tune your speakers. So Sonos has a True Play speaker tuning setup software where you use the actual mobile phone to calibrate your speakers. We will not do that here, but you can. This is the same True Play system that the regular Sonos system uses. And we will skip. Setup complete. Okay, so now we'll play our first song on the on this, and we will play a royalty-free song. Great, and what you need to remember is that this is a mono speaker, so the sound will not be as advanced as a Sonos Play 3 or Play 5 system. The sound is okay to good for a €100 Wi-Fi stereo system. And if you combine this with the more expensive products in the Sonos range, the Play 3, Play 5, soundbar, Beam, etc., you will find that this is a very good complement to your existing system, or maybe just a simple kitchen stereo. One more thing, IKEA always has some great instructions. This time I think they've outdone themselves. The assembly instructions for the Sonos speaker is a flimsy one-pager, just showing the cable. Step 1, connect the cable. Step 2, download the app, and music will play. So well done, IKEA, for getting that manual out there. A real piece of work. Great, so this was the unboxing of the IKEA Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. I hope you enjoyed it, and look out for my other unboxing videos. Thank you.